Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the typed array to string method. So what it does is if you make an prototype of typed array, you can change into a string. So how you gonna do that? Just let me give you an example. I'm gonna creating this const. So uint 8 equals use the new operator uint 8 array and 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 not 50 40. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna log it on a console the int 8 to string. So yeah, and after that calling you can easily see that this is a string. If you need a confirmation, just you need to do is put it inside a const s equals, and what you need to do is use the type of and s, and as you can see it's a string. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.